Oh, dude, bring it over here.
Oh man.
No.
Hold on. Chill. And she's like, nah, you can't get. What's going on, guys? Basting Up Moffat here, coming at you with a new video for this week. In this week's video, me and my good buddy Tanner head out to Lake Marburg to do a little early morning bass fishing and then to figure out what they're doing throughout the rest of the day. This was all in preparation for the tournament that we won in like a video or two ago, but this was a little bit of what I did to pre-fish for that tournament and to try to figure the fish out a little bit and figure out where they were. But hope you guys enjoy it, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also get entered into my giveaway. We are going to give away a fishing reel at 1,000 subscribers, so get entered for that. But here we go. There's one. Good one. Get the net. Get the net.
Yep.
How do you just push it back here? Hurry, Tanner, hurry.
I'm trying. There.
It's not quite as big as I thought, but it's still a solid one. It's not quite as big as I thought, but it's still a solid one.
I'm leaving this set up
about
like
a 3-pounder. There we go, guys. Pop first one in the morning on spinnerbait. We are going to toss him into the live well. There we go. Take out nice on that. Pop her in the live well. Let's get back and get some more.
I was a mess on that one.
So was I I wasn't really expecting it.
About took my eye out.
You know me. When the fish bites, it's just game on.
Get the f*** out of the way. I might just cast out. How deep does it get out in the center here? Can't be any more than
Like,
40,
I think
50?
30 is the most.
Okay.
There was a nice one that jumped there too.
Oh.
We're at 25 right now. There's one. Crankbait. On the crankbait, dude. Get the net.
Where's my fucking rod? I got so much line out there.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, bring it over here.
That crankbait hardly in it. Oh man.
No.
Hold on. Chill. He's coming up. Perfect, dude. That hook's hardly in there.
Freaking toad, Hunter. Oh, dude, bring it over here.
Oh man.
No.
Hold on. Chill. He's coming up. perfect, dude. That hook's hardly in there.
Freaking toad, Hunter.
Oh, look at that beast, guys.
Gotta get that right there.
Oh man, that got me going, man. That got my blood flowing.
Dude, that's easy a 5.
Yeah, he's 5 something for sure. Come on.
Come on, Junior.
Look at that big old beast, guys. Oh man. Off the crankbait. That is what we came for. And the crankbait almost fell out. Oh, fudge.
What's it doing here? You're shaking.
Dude. Oh man. Dude, that's a 5.62.
Damn.
5.62. That's close to 6 pounds, guys.
Good job, buddy.
Man, I am shaking, dude. That got me going, man. That got me going. This is gonna be a good day, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, I was so scared we were gonna lose him.
Same.
After you smacked him with the net. Dude, I saw the crank, like half the crankbait come out of his face. I was like, no. He's only caught under the lip, like a little bit right here.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Don't go moving too crazy.
I ain't.
You need to calm down for a second.
Yeah. Gotta stop like shaking. Whew.
Holy shit.
Man, that got me going. You got one?
Yep.
Hell yeah, Tanner's got one now. You got one?
Yep.
Hell yeah, Tanner's got one now. Good one?
Nah, it's, it might be a dink, I don't know. Oh, it's biting a little bit now.
Do you need the net?
I don't know, buddy. I mean, it ain't a bad fish, but... Oh, he's getting ready to jump. Nah, he ain't bad. I'll just stick him there.
Ooh, oh yeah, he's like a 3. He's easy 3.
Ask him. Go, guys.
Let me go. Look at Tanner's nice one. That's like a 2.5, 3 easy all day.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, plop him in there.
Yes, sir. Man, look at that toad. Oh!
Shit. You're trying to get out on us.
I think they're hanging out a smidge deeper than what you think.
Dump a little good stuff in there and keep them good.
So we verified the gold does work.
Yeah, gold.
Gold with the Goby sausage.
That is what is the ticket this morning. In this lower light. And you wanted to leave.
I was waiting for that.
I'm like, nah, there's fish here.
There's grass right there.
Yeah, that's what they're on.
Well,
That
thing
deeper.
is I know that we're out deep, but when I cast, I know that my that my bait is not hitting the bottom. I know that it's
Oh yeah, it's
hanging
it's
up on the
suspended.
top of the grass.
Yeah.
And that's why I've been like laying into it slightly because I'm not sure if it's a
I
fish
think that's why
getting
this
it on the
crankbait's
fall.
almost perfect right now.
Because
This
you're kind
is
of
a
hitting that
16-footer,
suspended.
so it's going right above that deep grass.
Uh-huh.
And I think they're seeing it zip across the top of them.
Top of it, yeah.
And they're like, ooh, look at that.
Alright. I'm gonna cast out this way.
We got them on 3 different baits so far. A spinnerbait, a chatterbait, and a crankbait. But all reaction style baits.
Yep.
Yeah.
I know how it is. You got the 5.62 and you're gonna hang out all day.
You don't leave fish to find fish.
Huh?
One of the age-old things is you don't leave fish to find fish.
Oh.
I'm sure we can come back here later though and probably catch one or two more.
I'm just tapping. Could've.
Damn it, I just missed one there.
Go ahead. I kept.
Throw that to him. Stupid fish. It's 2 in a row.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
There we go, guys, check them out. Look at them fish. It's a good day today. Get a good look at this big girl, guys. Look at that nice big fish. Whew. This is a big girl of the day. Call her on the crankbait. Look at that big old beast. But guys, that's pretty much going to conclude the day for today. Out here on Marburg, we have this overcast day, and a lot of these fish were off of reaction style baits in the morning, real early. It takes getting out here real early in the morning this time of year to get on some good sized fish and to get on a decent amount. Once the sun kind of started to come up, even though it was overcast, but once the sun really came up, that's when the bite kind of just shut the heck off, and it was tough the rest of the day there. But we got something done, got a few nice ones. Probably had about maybe 12, 13, right around there. But pretty good bag. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you next Thursday. And she's like, nah, 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 you can't get. And one day he break the cage and he get this. Haha, high five, very nice.